Hi, my name's Claire and I'm here to help you get better at ballet. Today I'm in the studio and I am going to show you the grade 4 Adage, but film it from behind, because sometimes when you see it filmed from the front, yes, you get some of the details of the arms, but actually when you film it from behind, you can actually dance along. Obviously this isn't a solution forever, you need to be able to do it on your own, but it's really good when you're first learning, because then you can really get to grips with the actual choreography of it and dance it along, put it into your body before you then actually do it on your own. So here we go. And we're using music A for this one. So I'm just making lifting the elbows, armpits down. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Turn and drop. 2, 3, 4. Reach forward. Step, step. The armpits down, strong support inside. And swap. And run. And pose it. And run. 1, 2, 3. Second our best. Every time. Turn and drop. 2, 3, 4. Reach. Step, step. Shoulders down. Step point 1. Step pose it. And run. Any position you like. Let me know in the comments below if that helped you, and let me know if you want to see more of those. I can do all the grades from pre-primary all the way through. See you later. Bye.